As a person who's afraid of heights, this experience was well worth it. Even my 6 and 8-year-olds had a blast. Our guides were super entertaining and of course, experts at what they do. Totally recommend. Oh my god. Such a terrific place. Super service by the staff. Loads of love to all from us. It's an adrenaline treat for all adventure lovers. Fire emoji, fire emoji. We booked on Monday, which was super lucky. It didn't rain when the heavy rain arrived at the destination, and our booking time was relatively early, so it became a private room. The staff are very detailed, and the plants are introduced along the way, which is lively and interesting, which makes people feel safe, and has fun and relaxation. We arrived with our 4-year-old and he enjoyed and didn't afraid because of THW funny instructor. The food at the IBD was also good, some chicken with cashew and fried chicken plus rice and vegetables. Safety courses began as soon as we arrived at the site, and each coach who led the team carefully checked each student's safety buckle and protective gear before departure, making the zipline more confident and safe. Although it was very nervous, there was nothing scary about it. It was well worth playing. Even a 6-year-old girl in our group had a great time. It is highly recommended. It was a great experience. It was my first time to play ziplining and I was worried about it being unsafe. However, several staff members were arranged to put on safety equipment for you before the activity, so you didn't have to worry about accidents while playing. When playing, there will be several staff who will follow you in the front, middle and back stages, which is considerate. Moreover, every zipline staff member will add excitement to your experience and joke with you to stir up the atmosphere. During the event, there were professional photographers to help you take photos, and the results were very good. They took more than 100 photos for us. Next time I will choose 42 items and challenge again.